Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you the Plug AI testing assistant how to use. So let's get started. So to use that it is very easy. First of all open the Plug AI. Okay, so at here we can see it. So it is very easy to use. First of all you can buy a premium if you want. Okay, so basically it's a Riz app. You have to upload the screenshot and you can use that. Okay, because without purchasing this premium you can't use this app. So to unlock, just click on unlock and buy from here. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way too. If you have any question related to this, how to use this app, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.